In a significant move aimed at resolving the long-standing debate over 1 year versus 2 year LLM degrees, the Bar Council of India has announced formation of a high-level committee headed by a former Chief Justice of India. This issue, as you know, dates back to 2020 when the BCI introduced legal education rules that stated a 1 year LLM degree, especially from foreign universities, would not be treated as equivalent to an Indian LLM unless the individual completes a year of teaching as a visiting or clinical faculty member. In March 2021, BCI told the Supreme Court that these rules would not be implemented immediately. However, the controversy lingered due to further circulars that still insisted on teaching experiences for those holding the 1 year LLM degrees. Then last year in February, the Supreme Court once again raised concerns about this mandate and directed that a discussion be held with all stakeholders. Acting on this, BCI convened a joint stakeholder meeting on April 22nd. The meeting was chaired by the president of NLU Consortium, Professor VC Vivekanandan, and was attended by vice chancellors, deans, and faculty from national law universities, state and central universities, and affiliated law colleges. At the meeting, several NLUs expressed their support for continuing the 1 year LLM program, but also stressed the need to increase its academic rigor. Some participants suggested embedding pedagogical training with 1 year course itself. However, this idea was opposed by others who felt it could make the course too demanding and push students towards opting for the 2 year LLM program instead. Following the discussions, the BCI has now decided to set up a committee that will not only explore the possibility of equating 1 year and 2 year LLM degrees, but also design a framework for structured pedagogical training and harmonization of postgraduate curricula across the country. The committee will be led by a former Chief Justice of India with a noted academic as the co-convener and will include members from all types of law institutions in India. The BCI also reiterated that for now, the 1 year LLM degree would only be treated as equivalent to a 2 year degree for teaching roles if the holder completes a 6-month teaching training program. For higher academic positions like associate professor or professor, an additional 6 months of training is recommended even for those with a PhD.